Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 26, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's our $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, hold on one second. There we go. Let's go over what happened. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. 555 H pattern Fibonacci, H pattern. Here in a moment, we're going to see how this reacts off of the 462.25 area. And if it gets a little bit higher, we're going to move to a break-even trade. This is our first minor retrace. Again, we want to see how it's going to react off of this level. So if it can't get through it, we'll just pull profits, but we're going to see if this takes another stab at trying to break through that area. This is not producing the speed and violence like I would like. We're already $1 up, but we're starting to slow down around that 462.25 area. So if we don't get over it soon, I'm just going to punch out roughly around 462.25 area.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.50 run, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 26, 2024, and we're looking to go up with QQQ here in a moment.
Order filled.
H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, 555 Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. Once the price gets above the 461.50 area, I expect the price to come right back up to this area, if not up to the 200 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So we'll see what happens.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. What we're going to do is we're going to wait until this price gets away from this area and manage it bar by bar moving forward. As you can see, the price is heading towards that 462.25 area. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to see if it goes up here, retraces, and then revisits this area. But we don't want to be too quick to move our stop. We haven't seen a retrace. Oh, hold on. 10 o'clock news. All right, so give it a second. Let's just watch this together. Once this price pushes back up, we will guarantee that dollar now. This was what I was expecting, some level of retracing like we just saw. So once we get above, there we go. All right, so we're gonna lock in that $1 move, and we're gonna see how this reacts to the high of the day, roughly around also the 200 moving average. So we're gonna play it bar by bar at this point. At this point, we're starting to slow down, so any price spike up to the 462.90, 463 area, we're just going to close out.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.30 run up, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.